Okay, so this is SuiteCRM. It is the most powerful customer relationship management system in the world today. And that includes all of the premium packages and the enterprise packages that cost thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars per user per month. SuiteCRM itself is open source and free, but that doesn't take away anything from the product. It is an incredibly powerful product, but it's also a very intuitive product. One of the things with SuiteCRM is that it provides everything that you could possibly want in the package when you first get it. So all of the options are available. Now, a lot of people won't need everything that it does. A lot of people will want to take certain things away and make it a simpler package. And that's completely possible. When you get SuiteCRM, you get the whole thing, but you can customize it to exactly what you want it to be. So it doesn't have to be intimidating. When you want those additional features, you can get them. When you first start with SuiteCRM, you come to the dashboard, and everyone has their own unique dashboard. SuiteCRM is multi-user. Any number of users can use it. Every one of them has their own profile, their own calendaring, their own meetings, and so on. So when you first come in, you can see you can have a customizable dashboard, and this can have your calls, your meetings. It's completely customizable, your calendar, and so on. A CRM system primarily is to manage your customer base, manage your leads, manage your opportunities, and so on. And SuiteCRM excels at all of this. You'll see from the menus, which are all customizable, it has certain defaults like accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, and then under marketing, accounts, contacts, leads, campaigns, targets, and so on, support, and so on. These menus are customizable. You can have whatever you want in here. You'll be using contacts, accounts, leads to store your contacts and your customers and so on. So if I go into one of the records, you just can click on it, and you'll see it gives you a standard layout with all of the information you could possibly want. You've got various tabs where you can put more information in, but you can also add new fields. If you want to customize the way this looks, if you want to customize the fields and the information you want to put in here, you can do that, and I'll come to that in a later video. But you can also see all of these other modules are available. Every module that is connected with contacts will be available down here as well. So if you wanted to see all the activities that have happened with a particular contact, they will be listed under activities. You can see you can also schedule meetings, log phone calls, compose an email directly from these areas, which we'll cover in a later module. You can also see that under actions, we can edit a record, duplicate a record, delete it, look for duplicates, manage subscriptions, print as a PDF. There is a full PDF creator and PDF template maker built into SuiteCRM. So for example, if I wanted to edit this record, you'll see it goes into the edit mode, and then all of these fields are available where you can go in and edit the fields. You'll see we've got more information here. If you added new modules, if you added new fields and so on, they would also be available. Now you can see a contact can be connected directly to an account record, because a contact can just be an individual, or it can also be a contact within an organization. So you can see the organization in this case is Sonic Dynamics. It's a link, so if I click on that, you'll see that can take us directly into the account record for Sonic Dynamics. And then you can see one of these panels down below is contacts, and you'll see within there that's got Molly Hemmer as a contact. Everything in SuiteCRM is drag and drop, so you can see if I wanted to have the contacts right underneath, I can just move that up and drop that so that we have the contacts underneath. It's all customizable. The look and feel of this is customizable. and what we actually can view is customizable. We also have the leads module. The leads module is an incredibly powerful module, and this is where you're going to be putting your leads in, and they can be attached to opportunities and also can be converted into, when the lead turns into business, it can be converted into an account and a contact record. And it's just a simple click to do that. And that will be covered in a later video. Opportunities. The Opportunity Manager is a very powerful feature connected with the leads, and you can put in at what stage an opportunity is, how likely you are to get it, the probabilities and so on, the lead source, and there is full reporting on opportunities as well. The system itself has so many features which I'm not going to cover right now, but rest assured, if you want a feature, it's going to be there. It has a campaign manager. You can manage campaigns. You can create web forms. You can create forms that are going to be embedded in your website, and those the details from those forms, when completed on your website, will be updated directly in SuiteCRM. So you don't have to take a record that's been created from a web form and then enter it in yourself. That all happens automatically, and the system and the method it uses makes creating forms very simple within SuiteCRM. A little bit on the back end of SuiteCRM, you have a profile for each person within the system. So you can see I've got a username in the system, and I can set myself as an administrator or regular user or whatever. And administrators can handle the records for and the profiles for all other employees of the company. So you can create employees, and every employee can have a role. You can create roles for employees so they can only see the information you want them to be able to see. SuiteCRM also has an incredibly powerful administration section, which is only available to administrators. This allows you to do the user management, role management, password management, security, and so on. It's also where you can set up the system, how you want everything to look, who has what, access, currencies, and so on. It also sets up the email settings, so individuals can send and receive emails from within SuiteCRM, but they can also automatically send emails. So it has a scheduler in there that automatic emails can go out to clients, to customers. If you do a weekly newsletter or a monthly newsletter, that can be sent out automatically from SuiteCRM. We also have a studio. Now the studio is incredibly powerful. SuiteCRM is a system made up of multiple modules, and you can see we've got accounts, calls, campaigns, cases, contacts, contracts, and so on. It's a very powerful system. Again, you don't have to use it all, you only use what you want. But if you do need those systems, if you do want to create something very customizable, very powerful, and configured to your own business, there for you to do that. So to give you a very brief example, if I go into the contacts module, you'll see we've got labels, fields, relationships, layouts. We won't go into all that right now. But under fields, you can see these are the default fields within a contact record, and you can see it's got a number of fields. We can edit them, and we can also add new fields. And then we can add any number of new fields, and you can see from the field type, we have just about every type of field imaginable. So the potential for SuiteCRM is just unbelievable. It's huge. If we just have a very quick look at the main menu, you'll see we've got the accounts module, which you've seen, the contacts module, opportunities and leads. We also have a quotations module. You can do quotations directly from SuiteCRM. You have a multi-user calendar. You can schedule meetings. You can create and view multiple contacts within the meetings. The calendar can interface directly and integrate with Office 365, Google, and so on. We have a document management system, and you can upload documents, PDFs, and so on, and manage them within the document management system. You've got various reporting, real-time reports, which they call spots, campaign management, call management. You have add-ons that you can put into SuiteCRM to add full telephony into the system to make calls, to receive calls directly from SuiteCRM. You have the meetings manager, task management, notes. You can create invoices directly. You can create your invoice templates. You have a contract management system, case management, targets, project management, event management, locations, products, PDFs, create PDFs. You can create PDF templates. You've got a full report writer, and you've got workflows. We'll be dealing more with workflows later. But workflows basically are automated processes. And a workflow is where you can automate full processes. So something happens and a whole series of events can take place. You have a full system to create workflows, to create automated processes, to create activities, and so on. You have a knowledge base. You can create email templates, surveys, and you can also go into the administration side. So that's just a very quick overview of what SuiteCRM contains. And over the course of a few videos, we'll go into much more detail into how everything works within SuiteCRM. Hope you found that interesting. Thanks.